Hello friends and welcome to Infotainment. Well, in this video we'll see what to do when your display gets turned off in an incoming call, especially in this Redmi phones. Well, it has all to do with the proximity sensor of your phone. In all the phones there is something called proximity sensor which turns off the display when it comes close to your ear or your face, so that other function doesn't get activated with the touch of your cheek or ear. So if you put some hands palm over this proximity sensor, usually it is here, it will get turned off. But sometimes it happens that this proximity sensor gets weird or it doesn't function properly. So at that time, many phones have that feature to recalibrate or reset the proximity sensor. If nothing works, then you have to simply turn off the proximity sensor and use it and show it to your phone maintenance or repair center to recalibrate or reset your proximity sensor. Or you can use also third-party apps which will function properly in the matter of proximity sensors. So we'll see here how to do that in Redmi phones. So as you can see, this is a Redmi phone here, Redmi K20 Pro. So the official way is to go to settings, and in settings go to apps, and in apps go to again system app settings, because it is a native app here in Redmi. So then you can go to call settings, and in call settings go to incoming call settings. So here you can see there is something called proximity sensor. Turn off the screen automatically when you are holding the device to your ear during a call. So it'll turn off the display, but if it is acting weird or if it is not properly working, just turn off this feature. Just do that and you'll see that your proximity sensor will never disturb you by turning off your display, even if there is an incoming call. To turn it on, again you can do it there, or else another shortcut is just go to your phone, and these three bars you are seeing here, just press it here and go to settings directly and go to incoming call settings, and here you can see proximity sensor. Just switch it on if you like, or if you don't like proximity sensor to get deactivated, or if you want that yes, the display should get turned off if there's an incoming call coming up, or if your proximity sensor somehow gets reset, if you are restarting your phone or doing some resetting in your phone, then you can turn this feature on to make it functional. So here just turn it on and your proximity sensor is turned on. So this is as simple as that. Many phones also have calibrating or calibration of proximity sensor. You can calibrate it, but in this model I am not finding it. I'm not finding the feature here. So either you can turn off or turn on the proximity sensor. So friends, this is how you can address the problem of your call or your display getting switched off when an incoming call is coming to your Redmi mobile. I hope this video helps you. If you found this video useful, please like this video, and please don't forget to share this and subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such technical videos. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.